Tips to keep your feet healthy this winter. Winter time can pose problems for your skin, especially on your feet. In fact, cracked feet is a common winter problem that many people suffer from. It is characterized by dry, hard, and thickened skin around the rim of the heel. Number 1. Warm water soak. A warm water soak once a week can keep your feet healthy and crack free year round, and especially in the winter. This type of regular soaks makes it easy to get rid of the hard skins that otherwise builds up on your feet and heels. Number 2. Oil massage. If you have a tendency to develop dry and cracked feet, it is very important that you regularly massage them with some oil. An oil massage will keep the hard skin moisturized and also improve blood circulation to your feet. For massaging, you can use any massage oil alone or mix some oils together to get added benefits. Number 3. Brown sugar scrub. The small and gentle granules of brown sugar work as a great scrub of your feet. It can easily scrub away the dead skin cells so that the skin on your feet remains healthy and soft. In addition, brown sugar contains glycolic acid that can fight off bacterial infections. Number 4. Glycerin. The glycerin that you have in your cabinet can do wonders in keeping your feet soft and crack-free throughout the winter months. Due to its moisturizing and humectant properties, glycerin works as a great remedy to prevent crack on the feet. Number 5. Paraffin wax. Paraffin wax is highly effective if you already have cracked and painful heels. It works as a natural emollient to soften your skin. Plus, the heat of the wax helps open skin pores and improves blood circulations. Never dip your feet in the paraffin wax mixture when it is hot. This treatment is not recommended for those who are diabetic or who have poor circulation.